Welcome back to the Shaman Warrior Network, everyone. I'm your host, Shaman Jona, and today we're going to be talking about the impermanent nature of the universe. And I first want to start this off by saying that if Adam came first and Eve came second, then God is definitely a woman, the universal womb of creation and life. Check it out.
It's the Shaman Warrior Network. Ignite the inner flame, catalyst of the change, letting thoughts in your brain lift you up off this plane. Breathe deep, easy, connect.
So what I mean by this is that the universe is always changing. It is ever expansive. Scientists have determined that the universe is expanding 72 kilometers per second per megaparsec, which pretty much means that if you're 3.3 light years away from the Earth, everything around you will be moving 72 kilometers per second further away from you from Earth. If that made sense to you, so be it. If not, and you're interested in learning more, I'll look for something to put down there for informational purposes so you can learn more about the universe. Since everything in the universe is always expanding and always changing, that's exactly why you see in your life nothing ever really stays the same. We're always subject to change. The seasons change, the sun sets and the moon rises. You see a flower bloom and you also see it die. You see fruit trees grow fruit at only specific times of the year. It's all impermanent. Nothing is ever forever because that's just the universe's way. Everything always has to change. Nothing can stay the same without having consistent amounts of change at least happening within it. I like to look at the universe as the vast expanse or void of infinite possibility. And this infinite possibility manifests itself at all times, and that's why change is always happening, because this infinite possibility is always right there. It is something that can happen at any time, and most times something happens. If you know what I mean. Infinite possibility, meaning that anything can happen at any moment. And we're all subject to this infinite possibility. We're all subject to the impermanent nature of the universe. We are reflections of the universe. So we too are impermanent. We are also ever changing. This is something to grasp and understand, because once you understand that we too are impermanent, it allows you to detach from ideas of permanence that you're currently attached to. And the next video is going to be actually about detachment. I'm going to get in depth about why we should live a life of detachment and the benefits of detachment. I'm going to put the link up there once it's uploaded. But for now, I just want to say that when you understand that impermanent nature that we are, you are content that everything comes to an end. There will be an end to everything at all times. Your life will end. This video will end. The food that's in your fridge will run out. Everything is always changing. Nothing is ever permanent. I share this with you with the most amount of love in my heart, because I want you to understand our impermanent nature so that you understand that it's okay to even change. It's okay for you to change. Maybe you've heard family members come to you and say, "Oh, you've changed. I don't like this new you." It's okay. We're all impermanent. That's something that should be accepted, something that should be celebrated. When you change, it shows that you're growing. When you change, it means that you're alive. And I also want you to know that it's okay to change your mind. You could think one way today and tomorrow think a completely different way. It's completely okay for you to do that, because you are impermanent. There's nothing about you that is set in stone, that is definite, that has to stay rigorous and structured to a specific image. You are impermanent, and you are ever changing. You are just like the universe, always expanding. And I want you to remember that. This fact of life brings me so much happiness and joy. I love the fact that I'm impermanent. I love the fact that I'm always expanding, because I never put myself in a box or write myself off on anything. I don't say, oh, well, Jonah doesn't know how to dance, and now forever for the rest of my life, I don't dance because I think that I can't dance. I'm impermanent. If I think I can't dance today, it doesn't mean that I'll believe that tomorrow or the next day or in a year. I know that things change happens in progressive steps, and every day you can speed this change by doing whatever you want to do. So take this idea of impermanence and apply it to your dreams, apply it to your goals, so that you can see that nothing is impossible because you are impermanent. Even if right now you're not the person that you want to be, even if right now you are not your highest self, it doesn't mean that you will never become your highest self. You are impermanent. You are ever changing. You control your change. I want you to understand that. I want you to take it in. Really, feel it in your soul. You are impermanent. You are expansive. Thank you for watching today's video on the Shaman Warrior Network. If you enjoyed the content, I want you to please share this with a friend, hit that like button, and subscribe. Subscribe for more content. Hit the bell so you're notified for the next video that comes out. We're dropping videos every Wednesday. I also am thinking of dropping a couple more videos. I got some things in the pipeline, but stay tuned. I do this all for you. I do this so that we can all have an outlet to understand that it's okay to be ourselves. It's okay to be your authentic self. And it all starts by accepting your true nature. I love you. Peace.
We are eternal. We are